Previous session we have started the finding the rank of a matrix by elementary transformation by converting into a echelon form and a normal form. So we have started the problems on converting into a echelon form, and also we have discussed the meaning of the normal form also. So I am taking the example of finding the rank of matrix by the elementary transformation. So write on the first in that the first example is find the rank of matrix. Find the rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix by elementary transformation. See here, question didn't contains any echelon form and normal form. Simply they told find the rank. If the question having the statement simply find the rank by the elementary transformation, so no need to convert into a normal form. Simply in the echelon form, if you find it the rank, that is sufficient. Clear it is? So I am taking an example here, that is a matrix A equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 8, 13, 12. 0, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 8, 13, 12. So now we have to start the procedure here. As according to our first procedure, first step of the procedure, that is first element of the first row should not be a 0. If it is 0, interchange with the another row. Here the first term of the first row is 0, so that I am going to interchange with the another row. So I am going to interchange it with the R2 now. So R1 interchange with the R2. Now your matrix A is equivalent to, write down entire second row elements in the first, and now second elements in first row elements in the second, and keep your third row as it is. Now the next procedure is using the first term of the first row, make the below element of that column is 0. Here already second here that is already second row first element is already 0. Now third row first element should have to convert a 0 using this element. So now I am taking a transformation onto the R3. To make this R3 0, we have to make R3 minus 2 into R1, because we have to use this. If you multiplied it by the 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Now the transformation becomes, keep the first and second row elements as it is. Now 4, 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 3 into 2, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Next 13 minus 5 into 2, 10. 13 minus 10. Next 12 minus 4 into 2, 8. 12 minus 8, 4. So now come to the second row second element. Consider this one as a now leading element. The below element of this term is have to convert to a 0. Now apply the transformation. R3 tends to R3 minus R2. Now make the transformation. R3 tends to R3 minus R2. Using this second row first element, we have the second row second element, we have to make a below element to a 0. To convert this term to 0, I am taking the transformation, that is R3 tends to R3 minus R2. Now your matrix A is equivalent to, keep the first row element as it is and keep the second row elements as it is. Now 0 minus 0 is always 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 4 minus 4, 0. So next procedure is convert all the leading term to a 1. To convert these two terms to a 0, take a transformation. R1 tends to R1 by 2 and R2 tends to R2 by 2. Divide this entire row by the 2 and divide this entire row by 2. Now your matrix is equivalent to 1, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 0, 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 0, 0, 0. Now the rank of the matrix A is equal to number of non-zero rows. Here this row is entire terms of this row is 0, so this will be the 0 row, and these two are the non-zero rows, so the rank of A equal to 2. So therefore the rank of the matrix A is equivalent to 2 now. Now take down the next example. Find the rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix by elementary transformation. Matrix A equal to 4, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 4. Consider matrix A equal to 4, 0, 1, 4, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 4. So using the elementary transformation, find the rank of the matrix A. So again, try to make a first element of the first row converter, try to non-zero and try to preferably 1. So here it is the 4 and the remaining all are the second further rows of first elements is always 2 here. So I am taking first interchange of an R1 with R2. Then your matrix A is equivalent to 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 1, 4. Now I am making an for using this leading term, the below elements of that column I am trying to convert as 0 using the transformation of the terms here. So here it is 4. To convert this term to 0, you should have to convert this also to 4. So the transformation of the second is R2 tends to R2 minus 2 into R1. Next R3, 2 minus 2, 0. So R3 tends to R3 minus R2, and R4 tends to R3 tends to R3 minus R1. R4 tends to R4 minus R1. So now your matrix is equivalent to, keep the first row elements as it is, 4 minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, 0 minus 2 into 1, 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 2 minus 3 into 2, 6, 2 minus 6, minus 4, 1 minus 4 into 2, 8, 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Now R3 tends to R3 minus R1, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 4, 3. R4 tends to R4 minus R1, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 1 minus 3, minus 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Now again by the transformation, you have to make the below element of this row terms to now tends to 0. So to convert using the second leading term, that is second element of the second row. So using this element, now we have to make these two 0. That is again by the transformation, R3 tends to, it is plus 2, it is minus 2. So R3 tends to R3 plus R2. R4 tends to R4 plus R2. Now your matrix is equivalent to, keep the first row elements as it is, second row elements as it is. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, plus 1 minus 4, minus 3, plus 3 minus 7, minus 4, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, minus 2 minus 4, minus 6, 0 minus 7, minus 7. Now, using the third element of the third row considered as a leading entry, using this leading entry, you have to make a below element as 0. So, you have to convert this minus 6 to 0, so that your transformation is, R4 tends to R4, both having the same sign, so take a subtraction, minus, here it is 3, 2 into R3. Now the equation becomes A is equivalent to 2, 1, 3, 4, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 7, 0, 0, minus 3, minus 2. Now 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, minus 6, minus of 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus of minus plus, minus 6 plus 6, 0. Now minus 7 minus 4 into 2, minus 8, minus of minus plus 8, minus 7 plus 8 becomes 1. Now we have to, now there is no further row in the below of the fourth row, fourth element, so that we stop the procedure here. Now we have to make all the leading term to 1. To convert all the leading term to 1, here it is 2 divided by the 2. So R1 tends to R1 by 2. Now R2. Here it is minus 2 divided by the minus 2. R2 by minus 2. Now R3 tends to R3 by minus 3. And here it is already 1. So no need to convert it. If it is not, you have to convert. Now matrix A is equivalent to 1, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2, 0, minus 2 by 2 minus 2 by 2 is 1, minus 4 by 2 minus 2 is 2, minus 7 divided by minus 2 is 7 by 2, 0, 0, minus 3 by 3 minus 3 is equal to 1, minus 4 divided by minus 3 is 4 by 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now the rank of the matrix A. Number of non-zero rows. Here the term 1 is present in the fourth row, so it is also non-zero. It is also non-zero. It is also non-zero. It is also non-zero. So the rank of A equal to 4. Non-zero row means no at least one element of that row having a some value here. Zero row means entire elements of the row should be 0. Here the one element is not a 0, so that it is not a 0 row, it is a non-zero row. So that is finding the rank of A by converting the matrix into a echelon form. Now we are moving in some examples, that is finding the rank of the matrix by converting a matrix into a normal form. Now I am taking an example here. Find the rank of the following matrices by reducing them to the normal form. Find the rank of the following matrices by reducing them into the normal form. So consider the first one. So now whatever the example we are going to solve now, we have to find the rank by reducing them into a normal form. In that the first one is A equal to 0, 1, minus 3, minus 1. Next 1 0 1 1 3 1 0 2 1 1 minus 2 0. So now see here. So to procedure of converting into a normal form is, first we have to reduce a given matrix into a echelon form. So the first procedure is, first element of the first row should not be a 0. So that's why to convert into a non-zero we have to make an interchange of the rows here. So I am taking a first one, that is interchanging of R1 and R2. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 0 2 1 1 minus 2 0. So now using the first row first element, make the below element of that column 0. So it is already 0. So convert these two terms as a 0, means R3 and R4. So to convert that to a 0, R3 tends to R3 minus 3 into R1. R4 tends to R4 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0 3. Here it is 1. Using this one you have to convert to a 0. So multiply it by 3. 3 minus 3 0. So now transformation is applied. So keep the first and second row elements as it is. Keep the first and second row elements as it is. R3 minus 3 minus 1 into 3 3 0. 1 minus 3 into 0 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 into 3 is 3 minus 3. 2 minus 3, 1 into 3 is 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. Now using the second row second element considered as a leading term, make the below element of that column is 0. So make these two terms 0 using this leading term. We have to use the transformation, that is R3 tends to R3 minus R2. R4 tends to R4 minus R2. So 1 0 1 1. Second is as it is 0 1 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 0 0. Minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 0. Minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus of minus plus 3 0. Minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 0. Leading terms are already 0. Now using the column transformation, make above elements of the transformations, above elements of the leading terms also 0. Now make these two terms as a 0 by using these two terms. Using the column transformation, C3 tends to 1. Convert to this to a 0. C3 minus C1. Next C4. Convert this to a 0. C4 minus C1. Now your matrix becomes 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 3 0. Minus 3 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 0. Minus 1 0 0. Now using this term, make these two 0. C3 tends to C3 plus 3 into C1. C4 tends to C4 plus C1. Now now the matrix is equal to 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 3 into 3 3 into 1 is 3 minus 3 plus 3 0. First keep the first row, sorry, first column and second column elements as it is. So minus 3 plus 1 into 3 3 minus 3 plus 3 0 0 0. So minus 1 plus 1 0 0 plus 0 0 0. Now see here, this one is your I2, so remaining are 0, that is I2 0 0 0, that is I2 0 0. So now we have to convert it into a normal form, that is A is equivalent to the normal form I2 0 0 0. So now the rank of A equal to order of the identity, that is 2. So rank of A equal to 2 now. So now take the one more example of this part, that is A equal to 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 3 1 3 minus 2 6 3 0 minus 7. Now so I am trying to make a first element of the first row, try to preferably 1. So to make it a 1, I am going to interchange with R2. So interchange R1 and R2. Now the matrix is equivalent to 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 1 3 minus 2 6 3 0 minus 7. So now using the first row first element, make a below elements to 0. So our transformation is R2 tends to R2 minus 2 into R1, R3 tends to R3 minus 3 into R1, R4 tends to R4 minus 6 into R1. Now the matrix is equivalent to, keep the first row element as it is, 2 2 minus 2 0 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 3 minus of minus plus 2 5 minus 1 minus of 2 into 2 minus 4 minus of minus plus 4, that is 3. Now minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus of minus plus 8 minus 1 7. Now 3 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into 3 3 3 3 0. Next 1 minus of minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus of minus plus 1 plus 3 4 3 minus of 2 into 3 minus 6 minus of minus plus 6 plus 3 3 minus, so that is minus of minus plus 6 6 plus 3 is 9. So minus 2 minus 4 into 2, sorry, minus 4 into 3 12 minus of minus plus 12 12 plus 2 10, sorry, 12 minus 2 10. Now 6 minus 6 0 3 minus of 1 into 6 minus 6 minus of minus plus 6 6 plus 3 9 0 6 into 2 minus of minus plus 12 12 minus 7 minus of minus plus 6 plus 4 So 6 into 4, 24. 24 minus 7, 17. So now, by using the second leading entry, make these two 0. So to convert this term to 0, so transformation of R3 is, here it is 4, here it is 5. So we cannot make it a 1. So that it is, I am taking a cross multiplication. I am multiplying it by 5 and it by 4. Then it becomes both are 20. So term will be cancelled. So that R3 tends to 5 into R3 minus 4 into R2. Similarly, R4 tends to, here it is 9, here it is 5. So take cross multiplications of the terms, multiply it by 5, it by 9. 5 into R4 minus 9 into R2. Now the matrix becomes 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 5, 3, 7. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 into 4, 20. Sorry, 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 4, 20. 20 minus 20, 0. 9 into 5, 45. Minus 4 into 3, 12. 45 minus 12, 33. Next. 5 into 10, 50. Minus 7 into 4, 28. 50 minus 28, 22. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 9 into 5, 45. 5 into 9, 45. 45 minus 45, 0. Now 12 into 5, 60. Minus 9 into 3, 27. 60 minus 27, 33. Now 17 into 5, 85. Minus 7 into 9, 63. 20. Now using the third row, third element as a leading term, make a below element 0. So now R4 tends to R4 minus R3. Now the matrix is equivalent to first row elements as it is, second row elements as it is, third row as it is, fourth. 33 minus 33, 0. 22 minus 22, 0. Now here it is 33, here it is 22. Divide the R3 by 11. Now it becomes 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, 0, 5, 3, 7, 0, 0, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now make all the this using this term, make these 3 0. Using this term, make these 2 0. Using this term, make this term 0. So now using this term, we have to make these 3 terms 0. So C2 tends to C2 plus C1. C3 tends to C3 plus 2 into C1. C4 tends to C4 plus 4 into C1. Keep the C1 as it is. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. Minus 2. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 2 minus 2, 0. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 0. Minus 4. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. 7. 0 into something, 0, 7, 2, 0. Now, using this term, make these two 0. To convert these two 0, here it is a 5. So it is better to take the cross multiplication as we done in the row transformation. So C3 tends to, here it is C3, here it is 3 and here it is 5. Multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 3. 5 into C3 minus 3 into C2. C4 tends to, here it is 7, here it is 5. 5 into C4 minus 7 into C2. 1 0 0 0 0 5 0 0. 5 into 0 0 minus 3 into 0 0, so 0. 5 into 3 15, 3 into 5 15, 0. 5 into C3, 5 into 3 15 minus 3 into 0 0, and this term is 0. Now 5 into C4, 5 into 0 0, 7 into C2 0 0 0 0. 5 into 7 35, 5 into 7 35, 35 minus 35 C. 5 into C4, 5 into 2 10 minus 0 10. So I am taking in the R3, divide R3 by 5. R3 tends to R3 by 5. So 1 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 0 3 2 0 0 0 0. Now using this term, make this term 0. Now C3 tends to C3 by 5. Sorry, we are making the column transformation. C3 by 5 and C4 tends to, keep as it is 15 and 10. Keep 15 and 10 as it is. So make this term 0 using this element. So here it is 10 and here it is 15. So now 15 and 10 convert into a same terms. Either multiply directly, it is by 10 and it by 15. C4 tends to 15 into C4 minus 10 into C3. 1 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 0 15 0. So here these two terms are 0, these two terms are 0 0 0 0. 10 into 15 150, 15 into 10 150, 150 minus 150 0 0 0 0 0. Now make all the leading term to 1, so that convert to this to a 1. Divide the entire C2 by 5. C2 divided by 5. Convert this to a 1. C3, convert a C3 equal to C3 divided by 50. Now your matrix is equal to 1 0 0 0 0. All these terms are divided by 5, converted to 1. Divide it by 15, 1 0 0 0. So that is equivalent to I3 0 0 0. So that rank of A equal to identity max of the order 3, so rank of A equal to 3. So that is the procedure of solving the examples by converting into a normal form.